Unleashing the power of Fluxcore arc welding in industry. Fluxcore arc welding, FCAW, is revolutionizing the industrial welding landscape. It's efficient, versatile, and fast, becoming the go-to welding method. FCAW uses a unique hollow wire electrode filled with flux. This eliminates the need for an external shielding gas, simplifying the welding process. This welding method excels in outdoor environments. It's less affected by wind or drafts, ensuring consistent, high-quality welds in challenging conditions. With high deposition rates, FCAW hastens project timelines. It allows industries to meet deadlines without compromising on the weld quality. FCAW isn't just powerful, it's adaptable. It's perfect for welding thick materials and filling gaps, a boon for various industrial applications. In conclusion, Fluxcore arc welding holds the future of industrial welding. It's time we embraced its superiority and harnessed its potential.